Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Amazon Fire 7. First of all, go into App Store on Amazon and Play Store on Samsung. Then install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer and open it. Over here you need to skip the ad. Then select Grant Access. Choose Allow in the pop-up. And now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on Samsung. Then select Receive on Amazon and Send on Samsung smartphone. After that, you need to click on all of those dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of your content and transfer it later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. For example, that one. Choose Send and click on Got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon over here on Amazon, choosing Allow and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key here and click on Receive. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!